next speaker is a friend and business colleague with 10 years of business experience in Romania. He's also the managing partner with Corporate Office Solutions. And Christophe Weller had spoken with me probably about a year ago. We were talking about ideas to green the market, and he was very interested to see what his firm could do to lead in this area. So we're looking forward to your presentation, and Christophe has generously offered to keep his presentation quite short.
Well, good evening. My name is Christophe Weller, Managing Partner of Corporate Office Solutions. I will start by giving you two good news. One, I will be very short. I've been asked to cut by 20% my presentation. That's about 4 minutes left. So I will be short and quite general compared to my colleagues who passed before. So I hope you will find it still interesting. The second good news is that most of you are already green in a way, if you are our clients or if you are our employees. I see some of them and I see some clients. So you're already green because we deal with offices, and the products we supply, for most of them, are already green, and I will explain a little bit why. I will start by explaining you who is COS. Just a few words. COS stands for Corporate Office Solutions, is a provider of turnkey solutions for interiors of offices. So basically, when you have a shell and core building, we can do the whole interiors. We can conceive it and build it. Hopefully in a green way now, and we will talk about that. We have been doing that for more than 10 years, in fact 11 years. We reached a turnover of 15 million euros last year, and we have about 110 employees, split it between construction and office furniture. This is all what we do. We do fit-out and construction works, M&E works, we provide visual communication products, we have logistics services, of course, workspace consultancy, design services, and furniture. This is all what we do in an integrated way. We start by the design and we finish by the installation. And almost in all these phases, we are trying to be green, to have sustainable products, to be eco-friendly. And we will see through the design you can already be green, and of course in the products you supply. We make sure that most of our products are already respecting green aspects. All our manufacturers are from abroad, so already this tendency is quite widespread and popular. So our manufacturers have paid a lot of attention already to it. For instance, we supply Target carpet, and Target carpet is fully recyclable, and they have even their own centers in Europe, 2 centers, one in Denmark and one in France, where they can recycle the carpet you have. And basically, from the beginning, the carpet is eco-friendly when you see the quality of it. The longer you use your carpet, the better quality it is. The longer you use it, so the less you will have to change it and to go through the cycling of recycling. Okay, in terms of furniture, we're using Steelcase as the main manufacturer. 50% of our turnover is done with Steelcase, and we started 11 years ago with them. And they are a particular example of being green. They even participate to the US equivalent to the Romania Green Building Council. It's called US Green Building Council. And their factories are certified to be green as well, in Michigan, for instance. And what they have done for all their products, they have looked at the whole life cycle of a product, from the materials it is made of until when you've done them. And they have made sure that through the process, they are fully green. The materials they are using are recyclable. The way they are manufactured is using, for instance, the paint that is eco-friendly. The materials that is made of is also eco-friendly. Transport, they are using a minimum of packaging in order to limit the number of this element. Okay, and during the use and during the end of use, for instance, a chair, and you may have used one of them because we supplied 4 of them outside. you could dismantle it completely, and each part is recyclable. 100% of a Steelcase chair is recyclable. And they are looking at every product like this, and through the whole phase, it's really eco-friendly. This is, for instance, the chair. This is not the chair you have outside, but it's another chair where you can see all these components is made of recyclable materials and then is demountable and then recyclable for each element of it. What I didn't mention, the last part, is about more the human. When we conceive an office, well, there are some rules that we can respect and be already eco-friendly. Being able to provide the right comfort, the right atmosphere to the employees is already something good for the environment, in a way. And that goes from the design phase. When we do a layout, we, of course, put the workstations as close as possible to the daylight. We make sure that the daylight is enough in order to have a comfortable working attitude. Also, the colors we use. The colors we use, well, if you want to have a relaxing environment, we give soft color like green, blue. If you want a creative theme, then we put some touch of colors like a red color, the chair, the panels. And this is all part of giving a better and a comfortable environment to the user. The acoustics is the same. When we provide the partitions, we make sure that the right acoustics is given so that the people have a right soundproofness environment so that they can work comfortably and be more efficient again. Same for thermal comfort, and the lighting is also, as you know, important. My colleagues before have presented a lot of data about the lighting, but it's important that we give the right lighting to the people who work, whether they're at their workstation, whether they're in a corridor. No need to give as much in a corridor than in a workstation. For instance, I think it's 500 lux on a workstation and only 200 lux in a corridor. No need to give more to be efficient. So that's basically what I wanted to say. We are not yet at the stage where we can build completely green. We're looking into that. This is why we also joined the Romania Green Building Council. We want to improve into that. We know we have already a lot of elements that make us green, but we know that we could not do 100% environment like this. So we're working on it. But look, if you have a project, if you want to build green, we'll be listening to you. We'll be looking for the right supplies. We have already connections into that, and we'll be able to very soon to do 100%. Today, not 100%, but look, if you need furniture, we have already the items that are green. If you look for carpet, the same way, and some other elements as well. This is it. Thank you.